Way back when the world was young, before the cities, before the fun, a dragon woke from a 1,000-year nap, stretched his wings and heard a loud snap. He scratched his nose, he stomped his feet, then felt a rumble from something he'd eat. A giant sneeze was on its way, then a fart said not today. He sneezed and he farted at exactly the same time. The mountains shook, the oceans rolled, it was the funniest crime. Achoo! So that's really what happened. Dragon! Sorry I had beef burritos. Farmer! You're banned from taco night. Dragon! Fair enough. 1, 2, 3, go! I juke! Rap, party, pop, pop, rap, French rap. See you soon! History books got it all wrong. This is the real prehistoric song. When dragons sneeze and dragons fart, everybody better run real smart. Achoo! Sing it loud and shake the room. Scientists still scratch their heads, but the dragon just smiled and said, next time I'm holding it